Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's Garland of Crochet. Okay, so let us see what we need for this bracelet. So at first we need that beads and crochet hook size 0.75 mm, this off-white color thread and scissor, needle and this type of hook I have used. So this bracelet actually I have made for my daughter, 2 years old. So you can make it bigger also. So at first with the needle I am inserting all the beads through the thread, and you can at first you can insert all the beads, then you can size whatever, means how many beads you need to make the bracelet, depends on your wrist size. So like that you can measure how many beads you need to make the bracelet. Here I have shown you tried on my hands, but actually this bracelet I have made for my daughter, so only few beads needed. So let us start it. So on that thread where I have put the beads, I have left that one. Then in middle of the thread I have made one, as you can see, middle of the thread I have made one slip knot like that. Okay, so at first we'll make 4 chain on the other thread, means not on that beads, means not on the bead side, on the other side you just do the chain, 4 chain at first. Okay, now 1 beads I am taking on the thread, I am taking 1 beads, like that I am taking. Okay, now you hold the thread properly, tightly you have to hold the thread. Now like that I just wrap the hook over the thread, then 2 loops I have get, then I am doing the single crochet, like that I am doing the single crochet. Okay, and that beads thread you can tight and loose, it depends on you, it should be tight actually. Now again I am making 3 chain. So first one we need to make 4 chain. Now after that every time you have to make 3 chain, like the same way I am taking the second beads also, second bead. Now like that I am making single crochet, like the same way I am making the single crochet. Like the same way I am doing the next bead also, again I am making 3 chain. Now I am taking the beads and I'll make the single crochet. I am taking the beads, one plus point is if you need extra beads, then you can insert the beads, and if you, so here again I am making the single crochet. Okay guys, if you like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel. If you guys subscribe my channel, it will motivate me. Guys, if you have any kind of doubt, then please do comment me in the comment box. Okay, so like the same way do the rest of the beads. Here you can see I have made all the beads. Then we'll do the opposite side. So for that one, at first here I'll have to make 4 chain. Now we'll make single crochet like the same way, but we'll insert the hook between this two thread. Here you can see that the two thread is there, so we have to insert the hook between these two thread. Then we'll make single crochet. Like the same way we'll do the next one, but here we'll make 3 chain, 1 2 and 3 chain, and we'll make we'll do that single crochet. Between that two thread we'll insert the hook and we'll make the single crochet. So here, as you can see, here I have used this cotton thread. This is actually 3-ply cotton thread. You can use any of the thicker thread also, but it should not be more thicker, it should be medium one. So here again I'm making that single crochet. Like the same way we'll do the rest of the thing. So here I have made that full things. Now at the end, here we'll make again 1 2 3 and 4 chain. Means here I have taken this 3-ply cotton thread. This is the bliss cotton thread. So if you have used any thicker than that, then you can measure how many chains is needed. For me it's need 4 chain, so like that you can adjust yours also, because it depends on your bead size and thread size, and hook size should be lesser than the thread size. Okay, so you can see that full things I have done. Now we'll do the that we'll insert the leftover thread with the needle. You can see how I'm inserting this thread with the help of needle. Simply you can insert it through all the beads. And that inserting beads should be on the other side, means it should not be on the front side. So here you can see up to there I am inserting the hook. Okay, now at the same way, okay, here I am inserting the thread and now I'll cut the extra thread. Now the same way I'll do the other side thread also. So here I am cutting the thread. Like the same way I'll do the other side thread also. This one also I'll do the same way. So we'll come after that. So here you can see it's almost done. Now we'll insert that jump ring. Okay, with the help of jump ring we'll attach the hook. Here I have used that earring pillar. It will help to inserting the jump ring. So guys, if you like, then please do share with your friends, and please do subscribe my channel. And in any part you have any doubt, then you just slow down the video speed and replay this. And still you have any doubt, then please do comment on the comment box. I'll reply. Okay, so here you can see how I have attached this hook. Now on the other side also the same way, using the jump ring I'll attach. So here you can see I have attached that one. Okay, so it's done. So you can make any size of this bracelet and any color you can use. So if you guys like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you.